song that's actually done by Justo Flores, which, you know, of all of the inventory of songs that I analyzed, this is the only song that to me articulates moving on. Yeah, what the composer is saying is, yeah, you know, we had a hard time in Baliceaux, it's true. They kicked us out of the room, it's true. Yeah, we went to Roatan and we had to start all over. All of that is true. Now what? What is our responsibility? And the composer is saying that we can't forget those things, but we have to move on. And we have to remember the Orinoco, we have to remember Saint Vincent, we have to remember Baliceaux, but we also have to live within the framework of this new society, and that's a challenge. You know, so we have to go out to graduate school, we have to get our degrees, we have to work, you know, we have to make things better, and at the same time hold on to what we can of our roots. And so this beautiful song is what I would like to end with. And again, it's forever etched in history. I will give it away. And one of the things that is an important concept in Garifuna musical heritage is that Garifuna people don't like to copyright things. Especially for songs that we feel come from a sacred source. So there's this concept of Itoa Horagut. Itoa Horagut means this was given to us by some unknown spiritual source. So we're just being used as a mouthpiece. And so for a lot of these songs, the composer doesn't go to some musical bank and say, this is my composition. Okay? So a lot of the songs, and so what you find is that Garifuna composers don't take credit for some of their most famous songs, and because they feel that it was actually given to them. You know, Roy's masterpiece, Len Cayetano's masterpiece, Drums of My Fathers, for example, he puts it in that category. And for that reason, he doesn't care about copywriting, you know. And, you know, we're living in a modern world, right? And so it's kind of like, yeah, you know, we need to think about it a little bit more because some of the works are extremely, extremely creative. So, I think I will conclude the presentation with this. And, you know, why don't, if you know the song, can you join in? And after that, you know, if you have additional questions, feel free to ask. But this particular song, just to read the first verse in English, this song would be sung by Al Garifuna as a farewell song by the as a farewell song to the waters of Orinoco. Let us steer our ship eastward with our flag displayed prominently at the bow of the ship. It's very, very good. Okay. So the song goes like this, if you haven't heard it yet.
Oh,
So, thanks again, and I just want to encourage the young ones to explore, experiment, you know. And,
Let her in.
that's the only way you can experience how rich the culture is. And don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Follow your passion. And you know, I'm an engineer, software engineer by training, but my passion is Garifuna music, Garifuna heritage, and I love to visit these sacred sites that I mentioned earlier. So this. Oh, definitely. You know, I think that that's a very good thought, because these sites are extremely important to us. You know, for example, when Joyce and I went to Baliceaux, my sister, you know, for yes. Yeah, so when we went to Baliceaux, for example, other than Nancy Gonzalez, the anthropologist, you know, she did a beautiful book articulating our experiences in Saint Vincent and Baliceaux. But I think that you have to go back to these places, to these sacred sites, and visit so remember where we came from. For example, Roatan. You know, we need to visit Port Royal. That's where all of the ships actually docked. From the word of Roatan, you know, it's a very safe place for us. And so I think we need to begin to, you know, get tours to go to these places.
Or even other groups of people that maybe have never been there from the States.
Well, that's true.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
it's not everybody knows everything you know.
That's true.
It's good to see where it's
That's a very good point. Just so you know what the question or your suggestion is, you know, I mentioned sacred places, Europe, Baliceaux, Roatan. And we need to go visit these places. Another question?
Well, we want to thank you, Aruf Lahate. It was a wonderful presentation. Let's give him a round of applause, really.